Hi, my name is Alexandra. I'm here at Picasso for my 3 days training in SMP. Previously, I took an online class, which was really helpful, but I felt like I need more hands-on training, so I came here. My instructor was Ivan, who is amazing. He's super friendly, and he gave us so many great tips and ideas and instructions on everything. So now I feel way more confident to start my SMP journey. I highly recommend everyone to come here. This is the best place in LA, at least, to start your new career. And I also would love to add that the rest of the team, that whoever guys came here, they've been also very friendly and so many questions. They shared the experience, they shared the Instagram accounts, and they let us know that they're always here for us if we need any extra help or assistance, and I feel like it's great. I'm really happy that I decided to come here, and good luck.